Ever stepped into bright sunlight and suddenly sneezed? You're not alone. This quirky phenomenon is known as the photic sneeze reflex. It affects about 18 to 35% of the population. But why does it happen? When bright light hits your eyes, it triggers a signal in your brain that can mistakenly stimulate the sneeze reflex. Essentially, your brain gets a bit confused and the result, a sneeze. This reflex can be more prominent in the morning because your body is adjusting from darkness to light. It's like your senses are waking up. Interestingly, the photic sneeze reflex isn't harmful, but it can catch you off guard. So next time you step into the sun and let out a sneeze, remember, it's just your brain playing a little trick on you. How fascinating is that?